Hi everyone, this is Dr Mrunal Shah Modi. I'm a consultant dermatologist. Welcome again on the BeBeautiful channel. Today I'm going to talk about various kinds of skin types. There is a lot of confusion where people don't know what kinds of skin they have. So I'm going to help you today to determine your skin type. There are 5 types of skin. First is normal skin, second is dry skin, third is oily skin, fourth is combination skin, and the fifth is sensitive skin. So how do we determine what kind of skin type you have? This is done by a simple method which you can do at home, is that you wash your face nicely with a gentle cleanser with warm water. Make sure you do not apply anything on your face after that. No cleansers, no moisturizers, no sunscreens, nothing. After 1 hour of washing your face, if you feel that the entire face feels normal, there is no itching, dryness or redness, that means your face is a normal skin. Then second thing, if you feel that your face is greasy, shiny, and if it is oily and some parts are feeling more wet, that means that you have a oily skin. The third thing, if you feel that your entire face feels dry, itchy, that means you have a dry skin. The fourth point is that if you feel that your T-zone is oily and your other parts of your face, that is your cheeks, they feel dry, that means you have a combination skin. And the last is that if you feel that your skin gets red, dry or irritated after washing, that means you have a sensitive skin. So these are the ways you can determine what skin type you have. If you have liked this video, please like, share, and if you have any comments or questions, please write below. And don't forget to subscribe to BeBeautiful. Bye.